Hey, what's up guys? John Cochran here, and today is Systems Saturday, the day that I bring you a system that I use in my business that you can rip off, duplicate, use right into your own local market. Now on today's Systems Saturday, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with these golden direct mail pieces that everybody does nothing with. So we sent out some direct mail, okay? We targeted, quality people. We put all these leads through our combo seller generator, and we're mailing people that have 2 levels, 3 levels, and even 4 levels of motivation onto their property. So we send out very direct mail to these sellers that have 2, 3, and 4 levels of motivation. We send these things out, and we got all of these returned pieces of mail back. Most people, what they do? Nothing. They just leave these things, throw them in the trash can. Guys, this is the gold. This right here is the gold. This is how you make money from direct mail, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Rather than throwing these things away, these are the sellers that nobody else can find, and when you find them, they are absolute gold mines. So how do you find them? What do you do? The first thing that I would tell you to do, because our direct mail through our system with the combo seller generator and determining the levels of motivation per person, because it's so powerful and so direct and so targeted, we don't send out very many pieces of direct mail. And we know whoever we're mailing, we know they're super motivated whenever we get a hold of them. So what we do is we take these pieces of direct mail and we skip trace them 3 different ways. The very first way that we do this is we actually skip trace them through going to the house and talking to the neighbors. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to the house. That's the first way to do this. And we will literally go and talk to the neighbors. Now it's ironic because the neighbors know everything about these sellers. So the house that I'm standing in right now, we just made a $25,000 double close profit onto this house by wholesaling this deal. Now, this deal was very hairy, okay? This was very hairy. The seller, we actually bought the property. We had to evict the property because we bought this into a package. We had to evict the property, and when we went out there and had to go out there and evict them, and we had to go through the bailiff and all that fun stuff, it was ironic because guess who was helping the seller move all of their stuff out of this house? One of the neighbors. It is the best way. Going to the neighbors is one of the best way to locate sellers that you get direct mail back from. So start going to the neighbors and just saying, hey, I'm local to the area and I want to buy that property. Do you happen to know where that owner is at? I want to buy the property and I want to fix it up and increase the value and all this other stuff, and I want to put money into this seller's pocket. That is one of the most powerful ways as a real estate investor to get a hold of people that have properties that you cannot find. Go to the neighbors. The second way to do this is we got to start banging the phone out. So what do? You can use a service like Spokio. Okay, you can use a service like Spokio. This basically is a phone number skip tracing service. So you'll enter all these people into Spokio, and then you got to call these people, find their phone numbers and call these people, and then you go through the same exact thing. You got to be very honest with these guys. You're local to the area, you want to buy their property, and you're trying to put money right directly into their pocket. Do not sound scripted. Okay? Do not go out there and sound scripted at all with this stuff. Okay? So the other way that you can go out there, the third way that you can go out there and skip trace these sellers is actually by using a service called Ben Verified. Works the same exact way as Spokio. You can find their phone number and you call out to these people and go through the same exact script. There's so many things that you can do. You could actually Facebook message these people, shoot a video and Facebook message these people. You could go out there, but it doesn't matter what you do. You have to get a hold of these. You cannot throw these things away because this is where your money is lying in your direct mail. So if you got any value out of this, I would highly encourage you guys to comment below. Let me know what you've learned from this thing. Go out there and give this thing a like, and please share this with anybody that can get value out of this. I'll see you guys on the next Systems Saturday.